Welcome to the Confusing Word Series. Today we are going to learn about two words that sound exactly the same but have completely different meanings. It's and its. These two words confuse even native English speakers. By the end of this lesson, you will understand the difference and never make this mistake again. The first word is its, spelled its with no apostrophe. Its is a possessive pronoun. This means it shows that something belongs to something else. For example, the dog and its tail. The tail belongs to the dog, so we use its without an apostrophe when we want to show that something belongs to it. The second word is its, spelled it''s. Its is a contraction. A contraction is when we combine two words into one shorter word using an apostrophe. It is short for two words, it is or it has. For example, it's raining means it is raining. It's been a long day means it has been a long day. Let us look at some examples using its without an apostrophe. The dog wagged its tail. Here the tail belongs to the dog, so we use its. Another example, the car lost its wheel. Again, the wheel belongs to the car, so we use its. Remember, no apostrophe when something belongs to something else. Now let us look at examples using its with an apostrophe. It's raining outside. This means it is raining outside. Another example, it's a beautiful day. This means it is a beautiful day. In both cases, we can replace its with it is, so we use the apostrophe. Let us compare the two words side by side. Its without an apostrophe is possessive. For example, the cat licked its paw. The paw belongs to the cat. Its with an apostrophe is a contraction. For example, it's time to eat. This means it is time to eat. Now you can see the clear difference between them. Here is a simple trick to remember the difference. Try replacing the word with it is or it has. If the sentence still makes sense, then use its with an apostrophe. If it does not make sense, then use its without an apostrophe. For example, in the sentence the dog wagged its tail, if we replace with it is, we get the dog wagged it his tail, which does not make sense, so we use its. But in it's raining, if we replace with it is, we get it is raining, which makes perfect sense, so we use its. Remember these two simple rules. No apostrophe means possessive. Use its when something belongs to it. With an apostrophe means it is or it has. Use its when you can replace it with it is or it has. That is all you need to remember. With this golden rule, you will never confuse these two words again. You are now ready to use its and its correctly in your writing and speaking.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.